Let's learn how you can create community group in WhatsApp business. So this isn't really possible because when you join WhatsApp business, I want to do that now because it requires me to transfer my account. But when you do change it and you go to communities tab, you see no option and no button to create new community. But what you can do is to go to classic WhatsApp application, go to communities tab, and you will see here new community. And here you can create new community, and then when you go back to WhatsApp business, just transfer account from WhatsApp to WhatsApp business. And when you transfer it, every chat will transfer and every community, and therefore new community will be transferred to WhatsApp business, but you created it on a classic normal WhatsApp. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.